The impact of artificial intelligence on the global workforce. Paper ID MR242061500601 by Chapman Nnadozie, Department of Computer Science, Abubakar Tattara Polytechnic, Bauchi State, Nigeria. Introduction. Popular notion has it that rapid technological growth and innovation can threaten employment. However, global economic challenges such as rising inflation and workforce decline has made innovative thinking imperative, of which AI has brought to bear. AI is more, to me, as a complement to institutional growth than a replacement to human workforce. This paper presentation intends to investigate the impact of the application of AI system by organizations on the global workforce. Problem definition. The rising automation of tasks by organizations raises fears that AI systems may be taking over human jobs, thereby resulting to job losses. This triggers job adjustment in the workplace, meaning that everybody needs to adjust because new roles will be produced by AI. This study intends to unravel the impact that the rising quest for automation of industries has on the workforce. Objectives of the study are to find out whether the use of AI systems by organizations promotes job efficiency, whether it leads to a diminishing or it leads to an increasing workforce, and then 3, whether it leads to an imbalanced workforce. Research questions. Research question 1 says, could the adoption of AI systems by organizations promote job efficiency? 2, could the use of AI systems by organizations lead to a diminishing or increasing workforce? 3, could the use of AI systems by organizations lead to an imbalanced workforce? Methodology. Questionnaires were used, which consist of 9 questions, and they were administered to 53 respondents that are working in 3 countries that have their organizations partially automated. 12 from USA, UK 12, and Nigeria 29. Questions 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and 7 to 9 were meant to address research questions 1, 2, and 3 respectively. This is the table that summarizes all the questions and the responses that we are gotten. Yes, no, uncertain were the options in each of the questions. Research question 1 seeks to ascertain whether the adoption of AI systems by organizations promotes job efficiency. So to address it, question 1 says, are jobs done more accurately than before? 87% say yes. Is automation of tasks cost effective? 92% say yes. Has automation made your job easier? 81% says yes. Therefore, it can be established that the adoption of AI systems promotes job efficiency. Research question 2 seeks to ascertain whether the use of AI systems by organizations leads to a diminishing or to an increasing workforce. Question number 4 says, are some of your jobs taken over by AI systems? 91% say yes. Are you afraid of possibly losing your job to AI systems? 74% say yes. Can the advent of AI systems lead to job losses? 64% says yes. So the findings establishes that the use of AI systems leads to a diminishing workforce. Research question 3 seeks to find out whether the use of AI systems can lead to an imbalanced workforce. Question 7 says, do you feel that some AI systems can be made to be biased? 77% says yes. Are you comfortable with your job taken over by AI systems? 79% say yes. Why? Because they are after AI taking care of jobs that are energy taxing. Then question 9 says, can AI be used to breach your rights and privacy? 85% says yes, as shown in the graphs. Conclusion. The workplace has experienced lots of transformations which directly or indirectly has affected the workforce. This study findings were as follows: that AI promotes job efficiency. Why? Because less cost is needed to do massive production. And then the human tasks that are very taxing, are done easily using AI. Then rescaling, stroke upscaling to fit into new roles is needed to remain employable. And then AI would lead to the creation of more new jobs in the long run. Then an imbalance workforce is created if proper legislation is not preferred to guide against making some AI systems biased or exposed to cyber attacks. Recommendation. The recommendations are five in number, and they are as follows. The evolving job transformation calls for the workforce to key in properly through reskilling slash upskilling across the various stakeholders, that is the employers, the employees, and also the government. Now, how do employers come in? Employers should be actively engaged in the retraining of their workforce to enable them manage job disruptions and displacements. So they have to help them to know their new roles. And then government are meant to formulate good policies that would aid in guaranteeing people's privacy and security. Fourthly, AI skills identified to be very risky should be strictly monitored by government and all stakeholders concerned. And then lastly, embracing the transition is imperative in order to offset the imbalance between AI skill acquisition and the workforce. Right now, there is some imbalance, and that needs to be taken care of. So these are the references that we are used in the work, and they are 22 in number. Thank you.